Us, Among Us. Sussy. Oh no, I'm giving birth. I'm Doobie. Oh my God. Wait a minute. How did I have a baby that's inside a baby that's inside a baby? How does that work? Oh, I'm giving birth. Oh no, bro, I'm giving birth. You just heard what they said. I'm Toby the baby. Okay, we need to do a voice check. This is not the correct voices. It isn't. No. Hello, I'm Thomas. Hello, I'm Percy. Hello, I'm James. Hello, I'm Charlie. Hello, I'm Toby. Let's fix our voices. Okay. Hello, I'm Thomas. Hello, I'm Percy. Hello, I'm James. Hello, I'm Charlie. Hello, I'm Toby. Why don't we remake giving birth and restart? Let's. No. Thank you. 9 months later. 9 months later. Babies can't give babies, but 5-year-olds can give 1-year-olds. Narrator, how do you know that? It was proven in 1958. But how? How was it proven? Gotta run. Well, that sucks. It sure does. Alright, I'm done. Wait a minute. This isn't our show. That we're on the filming of All Engines Go Nowhere. Darn right you are. And you're gonna pay. Get back here. Die. Ow. My crane. Where's my tender? Ow. My legs. Oh, everyone nest up, starting with Toby and ending with me. Hurry up, Toby. Come on, Charlie. Come on, James. Come on, Percy. And now, come on, me. We gotta run. Oh, come on. You guys did this before we got on the wrong set. Come on. Come on. I know. Why don't we commit vehicular Manburger helper? Charlie, what the heck is that? You help people by running into them by backing out a car. But we don't have cars. Do we need cars? Yeah. If you want to commit vehicular Manburger helper, then yeah. We need to find Birdie. You actually want to commit vehicular? Birdie, 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 birdie. Where's... Alright. We just need to mimic his voice. Everyone, get in the way. I want to commit vehicular Manburger helper. Who should we start with? Oh, you don't see us back there. We're in the car. We're in Birdie. Who should we start with? I'm looking. Henry. Everyone, get in the way. I'm trying to commit vehicular Manburger helper. Dead. Crane, get in the way. Thomas, get in the way. I want to commit vehicular Manburger helper. Diesel, get in the way. I want to commit vehicular Manburger helper. Sandy, get in the way. I want to commit vehicular Manburger helper. Gordon, get in the way. I want to commit vehicular Manburger helper. Kenji, get in the way. I want to commit vehicular Manburger helper. Kenji Tanner, get in the way. I want to commit vehicular Manburger helper. Carly, get in the way. I want to commit vehicular Manburger helper. Anyone else, get in the way. Fidget spinner that I found off the playground. Get in. Wait, how did the line go? Get in the way. I want to commit vehicular Manburger helper. Wait, Toby isn't in the car. We can commit vehicular Manburger helper. Toby, get in the way. I want to commit vehicular Manburger helper. I think that's everyone. No. It's not everyone? Good. Then we can commit more vehicular Manburger helper. You forgot about me. Thank you. Thanks for helping us commit vehicular Manburger helper. And you forgot about me. 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 Ah! You forgot about me. Ah! Why did you forget about me? I want to help you commit vehicular Manburger helper. Vehicular Manburger helper. I want you to help people by committing vehicular Manburger helper. Ah! Wait, I just committed vehicular Manburger helper.